This is me. I grew up in Bavaria and lived in a village near Munich for 32 years. I was a musician, I worked at the airport and later at the local kindergarten. But once I discovered my love for photography, I knew I needed a change. So I moved 600 kilometers away from my home to start my freelance career. And because I met a girl. Now I'm excited to be spending 3 days in my hometown with my family, exploring old traditions and habits while finding my own path. And I'm taking you with me. Christi, ich bin der Chris und da bin ich daheim.
Bist du da auch zur Schule gegangen?
Ja.
Ja, dann filmen wir dich da jetzt noch.
Sometimes coming home feels a bit strange. An emotional roller coaster between the past and the present. A place where you once lived every day is now a place you come to visit. I guess it's normal to feel like that when you're moving away from where you grew up. But I think I needed that change to become the version of myself that I am today. It's a reminder of how much has changed in the last 3 years. In a good way. This is a Ziyach, or diatonische Harmonika. I started learning it in 2nd grade and it was my first instrument. And I'm always happy when I come home and play a few songs on it. These are my parents, Maria and George. They have lived in the same village in Bavaria all their lives and built this house over 40 years ago. Let's talk about traditional Bavarian clothing, such as Lederhosen or Dirndlgewand. We don't wear them every day, but on special occasions such as weddings, various festivals, or simply when we get together and want to maintain our traditions. I love how it reminds me of my background and where I come from, living that part of my cultural heritage. Ah ja, Passt zu dir?
Ja, gut. Ja.
So, oder?
Genau, ein bisschen Scherz.
Mama einfach schon weit weg.
Prost! Let's go for a traditional Bavarian meal at the Scheck's Wirtshaus in St. Wolfgang. Just a few minutes away from my home is a town called Erding, better known for the famous Erdinger Weißbier. While the beer is quite famous, only 37,000 people live in this town, but I love it for its cute townhouses and overall relaxed atmosphere. I feel like the only constant in life is change, and I'm learning that I don't have to choose between the old and the new. Embracing both worlds, my freelance life and where I come from, gives me a sense of gratitude. And that's pretty nice.